India, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Maputo Mallu. This is your host Sujomon Jose. Today, I'm standing in front of railway station. What's so special about railway station? Yes, this railway station is so old that it was built in 1908 to 1916. No? Old you don't wanna see? I'll tell you some facts. In 2009, an American magazine, Newsweek, told this station as the 7th most beautiful station, ranked the station. No, that's not enough. Wait. In 2011, another travel magazine, Travel Plus Leisure, have mentioned this station as 14th most beautiful station in the world. Whoa, that's not enough for you? Wait. 2006 release movie, Blood Diamond. Yeah. Leonardo DiCaprio and Digimon starred movie Blood Diamond. A glimpse of the station was shown as a hotel room over here. But why do you want to see a small glimpse when I can show you the entire station for you? Yes, let's get into that.
So fam, let's get started. This is the entrance of the railway station. The time shown is wrong, but look at the lights, it just turned on. Fam, a small glimpse of this corridor was shown in the Blood Diamond. Now you can see properly.
Fam, this is the entrance, I'm just getting into it. I'll just turn the camera so that you can see. Yeah, this is the entrance. It's only 5 o'clock, but it's slightly gloomy day. That's why they have on the light. That's the light. This is how we enter to the railway station. It's Saturday, there's no much people over here. There's some light music playing in the background. So fam, this was the first engine which ran from here, Lorenzo Market, and it was started on 1895 to 1940. Next, I'll show you the engine which was initially started, which was from Maputo to Gaza, the next province. Okay. As you can see, this is the engine in the initial days, and it was from 1910 to 1928. It's written over here. Fam, as you can see, there's no much rush. It's Saturday evening. There's no much rush over here. But it's so neat. It's so clean over here. You can't find even a small piece of trash in the station. It's so clean over here. And I was just wantedly looking at some places where I can find some waste or some unwanted things. But the tracks are so clean. Just look at this. If you can find something in this video, just let me know. Please put your comments. As you can see, it's built so beautiful. The architecture, all those things are so planned, so done perfectly over here. I'll show you something. I saw something over here. I'll just show you. It's written the Eclipse. I'm not pretty sure what it is, but there's some more with light. Is the engine. Definitely it should be the engine. It's inside an glass cube. This is the engine. Look at the architecture, the work what they have done. It was built in 1908 and it's still so strong. It's some renovation might have done, but it's still so strong. Fam, let's get into the other section, other side. Let's see what's there. I can see a big train. It's not going anywhere, but I'll just show you. Whoa. The station is so quiet, so calm. There are no people around here. It's so peaceful. I think you can come here, sit, relax, It's so peaceful over here. I'll get inside and train also. I'll show how the seats are. But let me first cover these places. I don't want to miss these shots. So I'm just getting into a train. It's a little far. Yes. Whoa. This is the washroom. It's empty, so we are able to explore. The seats are pretty good. It's pretty decent. It's not decent. I would say it's like much better than decent. Leg space, a decade. Is the next compartment. Oh, I was sitting here just enjoying, relaxing. The seats are so comfortable. The seats are very good. I'm not able to, unfortunately, I'm not able to travel today because I don't know where the train goes, which place, which station I have to get down, all those things. But I'll come with some friends over here some other day, and I'll show you a full video. I think, look at this. In 1915, this was like this. The station was like this. And till today, the station is just like this. There's no problem, maintained very properly. 1920, like 1920, 1925, 28. They have mentioned all the dates. Everything has been mentioned over here. So fam, if you have reached here early, you have a waiting room also. Sala de Espera. Espera is wait. So that's like, it's a waiting room. There's a train over here. It feels so comfortable to film in such a place, so empty. Do you see that? That's the Mumbai railway station. Yes, they have mentioned about Mumbai, India. That's my country, India. And yeah, they have other countries also, not just my country. So this is Portugal. Porto, Portugal. Yeah, pretty good. But I like the other one.
Fam, I met a guide over here, so he'll explain about the Blood Diamond shooting place.
He was taking this as a free town hotel revolving dome. So this door in the movie, it was a revolving dome like this.
Okay.
So they changed because of Messi.
Oh.
Before it was a normal warehouse.
Okay.
A normal warehouse. So when Leonardo DiCaprio came for the first time to see the place where he was going to shoot his movie, myself, I'm the one I was guiding him just to see this place.
Oh.
And he shoot here this movie. It was March 2006. And then nowadays this is a station museum.
Okay.
It's a very lovely place to see inside.
Oh.
Many stories regarding the Portuguese.
Everything is. This is a train fare which shows from here Maputo and different places. The maximum for first class is like 900 Medicash. So in the normal days before, this is how the railway station would have looked with a lot of people. But now because of Corona, like the people have reduced.
That is number one, the most beautiful railway station in the world.
Okay.
Second, England.
Second is England.
England. Number 3, Mozambique.
Third is Mozambique. Whoa.
Number 4, Istanbul.
The fourth is Istanbul.
And the number 5, Australia.
The number 5th comes to Australia.
Number 6, Japan.
The number 6 railway station is Japan.
Number 7, Spain.
7th is Spain.
8 is United States of America.
Oh, I was just surprised because it's not 8. 8 is United States of America.
And number 9, India.
Number 9 is India. That should be the Mumbai railway station.
Number 10, Portugal.
Number 10 is Portugal. That's the most beautiful railway stations. According to the survey, they have everything written over here. What we told is most beautiful railway station. Everything is written over here. You can pause the video and just see this. So that's all for today, fam. See you all in the next video.
Muito obrigado por ter vindo a Maputo, ver a cidade de Maputo e a estação moçambicana.
Yeah, so I didn't understand totally, but thank you for watching Maputo Mallu. If you like this video, hit the like button and share it to your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.